Hi, my name is TJ Pluhacek, and I'm the creator of a new piece of software for the Mac called NoteLook. NoteLook is a piece of note-taking software for the Mac that you can find in the Mac App Store, and it can revolutionize the way you take notes. Let me show you how it works. I have it placed on my dock right here. And if you notice that it launched very quickly. It launches almost instantaneously. One thing that you'll probably notice first about NoteLook is that it's just a standard Mac OS X application. It has the normal look of a Mac OS X application. You can resize your window and do whatever. So how does NoteLook work? It works the way that traditional paper notebooks work. You have multiple notebooks, and inside of those notebooks you have different topics. So for example, I am taking a class right now called AP Economics, so I'll add in a new notebook for that class. And now I'm inside of that notebook. And today's topic that my teacher will be talking about is government and market failure. So I'll type that right here. And press enter. And now I'm in that topic. So I can begin typing my notes. I have the ability to form my notes in many different ways. So I may want to display the rulers to see these rulers and be able to choose different styles such as bold, italicize, and underline. Choose the alignment of different parts of my notes, change the spacing, and have the ability to create different types of lists. I can also change the font of my notes just by clicking Show Fonts right here, and all of the fonts that are installed on your Mac will show right here. I can also click on Show Colors, and all of these different colors will pop up. Now you can click on the color wheel and have lots of different options for the color of your text. Or you can go to the crayon box and have some more standard colors. So I'll begin typing my notes right now. So first up is externalities. And there are negative externalities. And for negative externalities occur when producers are able to shift some of their costs onto the community. And positive externalities occur when the benefits of a good are received by others in the community. So as you can see, I was able to type that pretty quickly. So one advantage of being able to take notes on your computer is that you can type your notes faster. So you're not worried about keeping up in a lecture or a presentation and not being able to write fast enough. And NoteLook organizes your notes efficiently by having different notebooks and different topics. So now let's actually get to the formatting of these notes. I may want to kind of have these aligned like so. So I'll press enter and tab a couple times for these. And if I want externalities to be bigger, I can just highlight it, choose a larger size, maybe make this also bold, and maybe choose for it to be this color. And then for negative externalities, maybe I want this to be a little bit larger size, maybe italicized like that. And how about this midnight color? And I'll do the same thing for positive externalities. Maybe I'll choose this color, 14 and oblique. And there we go. I can hit back on there so it's aligned like so. So it's pretty easy, and when I'm done I just press Save Notes down here, or I can go up to the File menu and press Save. Now one thing I'd like to point out is that most of the functions that you can perform in NoteLook are also available in the menu bars, and there are many different keyboard shortcuts associated with these as well, so you can learn the keyboard shortcuts and get to things faster. So now that I have saved my notes, I can quit NoteLook, and when I return back to NoteLook, launches very quickly and loads in my notes. Pretty easy. Now one thing that I would also like to show you is that when you are in NoteLook, you can also add in resources. So for this lecture, I'll add in the resources either resources used or external resources to be able to refer to later. So the white chapter 28 packet from Mr. Gump, and chapter 28 in economics textbook. And I just press save. Very easy. Now what if I want to print my notes? Or maybe be able to share my notes with students or colleagues, or maybe with myself on another device or another computer. Well, it's very easy. You just hit print notes right down here, or go to the file menu and press print. But you don't necessarily want to have that legal pad color in the background, so you can go to format, go to background color and choose white, or use the keyboard shortcut, and go to print notes. And I don't have a printer installed on this computer, but I can go to preview and see what it'll look like in the preview application, and I can just print right from there. Also, another thing to note as well is that when you go to print, you'll see this PDF button right here, so you can save your notes as a PDF, you can fax it as a PDF, or you can email your notes as a PDF document. So that is another nice convenient feature as well. And then you can of course revert back to legal pad color. So there's NoteLook. It's a very easy to use application that combines efficiency with price. The efficiency of NoteLook is being able to have multiple notebooks and topics all within one application that doesn't take much space up on your hard drive and works very, very quickly. You can find NoteLook in the Mac App Store for a very low price. Purchase your copy today. Thanks for watching.